We can use prime factorizations to find the square root of a number. What is the square root of 400? That can be written as this sign, the square root of 400. And what this means, that there are two numbers that can be multiplied together, and they have to be the same number that's going to make 400. So it means that this number here times exactly the same number is going to make 400. Or we could say this number squared is going to make 400. And that's what we're going to try and find. So to do that, we're going to take the prime factorisation of 400. So 400, it could be seen as 4 times 100. 4 isn't prime, so that's going to become 2 times 2. 100 could be thought to be 2 times 50. 50 is 2 times 25. And 25 is 5 times 5. We can now rewrite 400 as a product of its prime factors. So 400 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Now, if 400 is a square number, it means that all these numbers here can be actually rewritten as two separate but equal groups. So if we look here, we can have a 2 can go in here, and we can have a 2 in the other set. A 2 here, and we have a 2 in the other set. And then the 5s can also be put into two groups. So this is going to give us the same number multiplied by itself. Let's find out what that number is. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So it's 20 times 20, which means that the square root of 400 is equal to 20.